Okay, well, it's great to be here, and I hope you had such a great time as I had these days. Wonderful to talk with so many inspiring people and wonderful to see so many inspiring presentations. And I hope to inspire you with my story. The Qiy Foundation, their mission is digital self-determination for everyone. Digital self-determination, how to control your own data. The European General Data Protection Regulation enforces this by their voting of the 14th of April, how to deal with privacy, how to deal with data protection without us being part of the network. The Qiy scheme provides you with a solution that enables people to become a part of their own network. And in your branch, in the FinTech, it's very important to have this trust, this identity. You should know everything to be relevant from people. But how to do this with all these regulations? Well, there's one simple solution. Make your customer, the consumer, make them not longer a passive target in the digital world. Make them an active actor. Let them play equally with you in the game. I like to have some picture here. Alex, please give me the screen. Fantastic. You see here the website of the Qiy Foundation. And actually what you see there on the right left is an individual creating a node in the system. A node in a scheme. And if you try to understand Qiy, it's very difficult. It's trying to understand the GSM scheme without a phone. It's trying to understand the credit card scheme without a credit card. I will give you some examples, because today already you can create your own node in the system. And I really would love it when you would, try to use your phone and to download Dapper, an application made by a company, a FinTech startup, Digital Me, which has the license to operate of the Qiy scheme. And this application, Dapper, is very nice because it activates a node for you in a trust framework, a trust system. And you can interact with self-declared data with each other. And like Connie on the first day set a bottle of champagne on someone's phone who was ringing, I will put a bottle of champagne on the first individual here who has 25 connections. Well, this is a challenge. You can do it during the network break, but maybe you can just start downloading and then I give you a demo of a presentation here, and I will take a look if the connection is okay. I can give you here a presentation of Dapper Pro, and with Dapper Pro you can connect with an organization. Imagine no longer these usernames and passwords anymore. Your customer has a direct connection with your organization. And how to do it? Maybe we can switch to my phone for a minute. This is wonderful technology. I want to applause for the guys behind here. May we? May we have it? Okay, great. It's working great. Now my presentation has to work great. Okay, I have here this application, and I have here a code needed. And what I do is I use a QR code to make a connection with this site. So here you see what I'm doing. Oh, I have to. Yes. Okay. You can switch to the other screen again, to the big screen. Yes. And now you see here what I've done is I made a connection. And this is nice because this connection I can use to, in this case, to buy a product. So I buy a chair, and let's buy a bird, and make some music, let's buy this one. And then I need to give the signal, okay, I want to buy this. But the nice thing of this connection is that the web shop still doesn't know who I am. It's a pseudonym connection. But to deliver this goods, the web shop should know who I am. But the nice thing is that my node is also connected with my local government. My node is also connected with you maybe, with my bank. It's my node made the connections. My node is not a vault, it's not a platform, it's a networked thing based on crypto and Bitcoin technology, or blockchain technology. And this is what happens when I choose buy. The web shop will ask my node, where does this person live? Well, I'm going to push this button, and maybe it's nicer when we switch to my phone, because when I use this button and I click on buy, then you see the message from me telling me, okay, may we use your address? And if I say yes now, then the next question is, okay, do you want to buy? And now maybe we should switch back to the browser again, because I'm going to say, yes, I want to buy. And I say, yes, I want to buy. And what happens? I buy the product. How is this possible? Because my node initiated a SEPA credit transfer to the bank. My bank said, okay, you have this money on the bank. The money and the positive advice came to my node, rerouted to the web shop, and the web shop said, okay, I deliver. I hope you understand what I mean with digital self-determination. The web shop can ask me the second time I come, please give me your same pseudo-identity, then I can advise you. The web shop can also ask me, may we help you profiling yourself? Because we like to know your preferences. We like to know who you are, your intents. Of course, in a trust framework where people also respect my privacy, the rules and the regulations, compliant with the European General Data Protection Regulation, of course I want to reveal my attributes. And if my attribute is identity, if my attribute is a euro, if my attribute is the color red, I don't care. Imagine what this means. And if you go back to what I challenged you to do to create this Dapper app, watch this, because if the Dapper app is filled in and you have this connection, you can decide to share your information with an organization. This turns the world of CRM upside down. Customer relation management is old-fashioned. Make it CMR, Customer Managed Relation. I hope I inspired you with this story. And I really would like to end up with something, a little present, actually I got from DIA Barcelona when they created their logo. This was fantastic, their logo. Because their logo is for me the end of my story, and I really want to take you with me, showing that we should all be a node in the system. Help the Qiy Foundation, become a member, like parties like Aegon, SNS, Intrasurance, and a lot more. And also help us accelerating the development of Dapper, and that's a commercial company, Digital Me. And here you see actually what happens. This app Dapper today creates your node in the system, and you can decide to connect. But also you can decide to connect to a government, having validated personal information which you can reveal to an organization. Think about your KYC, think about your CRM, and you see all connections can be made in between persons and between persons and their organizations. I hope I inspired you with my story, and I wish you a very, very nice evening in Barcelona. Thank you very much.